Hi friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install WordPress on your local system or how you can use WordPress for free. So before that, if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of important video. First of all, you need to download an application for install WordPress on your local host. This application name is XAMPP. Type here XAMPP download, XAMPP download, hit the enter. Now you will see here apachefriends.org. Click on this website. Now scroll down and here we can see there are three options for download. We are going to download this latest version 8.2.12. So click here on download 64-bit. This application size is 149 megabyte. Okay. If you see your downloading is not start, then you have to click on here. I'm gonna click on it. Now as you can see, XAMPP exe file is downloading. So wait until complete the download. So friend, you can see my download is completed. So now you have to download another file, that is WordPress latest version. Open new tab and type here WordPress download, search it, then scroll down and here click on download wordpress.org and scroll down again, and here you will see latest version of WordPress 6.5.2. click on download WordPress. As you can see, my WordPress file is downloading. Wait until complete it. So I have completely downloaded this two file. Now open your folder where you download this file. Okay, let me open my file explorer. As you can see here, these two file. First of all, install XAMPP software. Double click on it. Then click on OK. Now click on next. Again click on next. Click on next until software is installing, or if the software asks for any permission, allow this. As you can see, my software is installing. It will take few minutes, so wait until complete the installation process. After completing installation process, you will get a page like this. You need to start Apache and also MySQL, these two server. Then minimize it. Don't close it, just minimize. Now open your downloaded WordPress file and right click on WordPress zip file. Then click on extract all. Then extract it. It will take few minutes, so wait until extract it. Now as you can see, this file is extracted. Open it and copy this WordPress folder. Now open your C drive and find out XAMPP folder and open it. Now find out htdocs folder. As you can see, this is my htdocs folder. I'm going to open it and paste here this WordPress folder. That's it. Now just get back and search here XAMPP. Open it. Make sure this Apache and MySQL is running. Okay, and here click on MySQL admin. After that you will get a admin page like this. Here click on new. Then type a database name. I'm gonna type here my channel name. You can type here your name or your website name, anything. Then keep all the things same as it is. Click on create. As you can see here, this directory is created. So now open a new tab and type here localhost/WordPress. Then enter. Select a language. Click on continue. Now click on let's go. Then type here your created database name. As mine is Bidda. Then type here username. WordPress default username is root ROOT. Then keep this all the things same as it is. Do not change anything. Then click on submit. Then run the installation. After that, type here your site title name. Then type here a username. It will need when you want to log in WordPress, so remember it. Then type here a secure password. It also need for login WordPress, so also remember that password. Then type here your email address. Okay, then check mark this discourage search engine. Now click on install WordPress. As you can see, my WordPress is installed successfully. So now I'm going to log into my WordPress with username and password. Type here username and password. Then click on login. As you can see, welcome to WordPress. So friend, now I can do everything from WordPress dashboard. Like if I go to appearance, then go to themes, you can see there is a theme that is already activated. So if I want to change it, I need to click on here add new theme. I'm gonna search here a theme name, that is Astra. Now I can install this theme. If I click on install, this theme will be installed. So friend, you can see how to install WordPress on localhost system. If you are also interested to know about how to design a WordPress website professionally, then let me know in the comment. If you are interested, then I will make a details video on the topic. So friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.